Hello, and welcome to another TopTipper demo video. Today, we're going to show you how to do your initial setup if you have only one property and you want to do one pool tip. So you log into your dashboard at mydashboard.toptipper.co. You would navigate to manage properties. In this instance, you can see there's one property listed. You can view the property information. In this instance, this is showing, let's say we don't want any services. We just want a property and that's it. So we're going to copy the tip URL, which is the website that the QR code would take a user to. Put that in, and you can see here where someone would just do a tip and it would go into one tip pool. This is the simplest and easiest way to set up tipping on TopTipper. If you have one location and you don't want to add services or specific employees, this is how you would do it. If you have any additional questions, we're always here at support@toptipper.co.